Sen.
Alam mo kanina, tawa tayo ng tawa, pero alam mo la, Arnie, doon sa sinabi mo, parang, alam mo yung parang parehas lang tayo ng pinagdadaanan. Kasi, doon din sa amin, sa Bicol, mahirap din kasi doon yung buhay namin. Pero alam ko na, andyan parati si God para tulungan tayo, diba?
Tama yan, Bugoy. Alam mo bang sa kabila ng mga pagsubok na pinagdadaanan natin, hindi niya tayo pinapabayaan. Kaya sobrang blessed tayo dahil hanggang ngayon, sa kabila ng mga problemang dumarating sa atin, ito pa rin tayo. Ito pa rin tayo. Yun. Ngayon nandito tayo, nakipagsapalaran. So, si God nang bahala. Dapat magpasalamat tayo sa mga blessings na binibigay niya, ha? Here in the silence, I say a prayer. Though I've never seen you, somehow I know you're there. You're in the faces of the people that I meet. You're as silent as the earth beneath my feet. So if I should complain and all I have is not enough, forgive me, I've been given so much. And I am blessed every time I look into my baby's eyes. I think of all the friends who touched my life. I realize in this world where some have more and some have less, I have love and I am blessed. Every time I look into my baby's eyes, I think of all the friends who've touched my life. I realize in this world where some have more and some have less, I am loved and I am blessed.
Arnie, thank you, ha?
It's really nice.
Thank you. Pero, yun nga, kahit ang daming problema dumating sa akin, yun, tinatawanan ko lang. Kasi kapag nagpadala ako doon, lalo akong maaapektuhan.
Tama yan, Bugoy.
Pero, alam ko din na pag meron kang pagmamahal, yun lang kasi yung alam ko na kung bakit hindi ako nag-give up sa life ko. Kasi, yung pagmamahal ko sa kanya, na alam kong nandito lang siya para sa akin.
Tama yan, Bugoy. Basta, kahit anong mangyari, wag na wag kang susuko, ha?
Oo. Kaya yung pagmamahal ko talaga sa inyo, hindi yun mawawala. See, there is a dream that I keep alive, wonderful and heavenly, and standing by your side, bringing you all the colors love can spare, just to be with you. But those many ways are mine, but I've been down that road so many times. And if you'll depend upon me, then maybe you'll see you can't stop a river from flowing to the sea. 'Cause some things just happen like they're meant to be. And it doesn't matter where you are, where you go, what you do. You can't stop my heart from loving you. See, I've been miles away, but I'm paying my dues. And don't worry, I won't blame you for a minute. No way, no, 'cause I won't blame you this time. And I know you can't stop a river from flowing to the sea. Some things just happen like they're meant to be. And it doesn't matter where you are or where you go or what you do. You can't stop my heart from loving you. Oh no. Oh no.
Ayan. Very good, Bugoy.
Oras na ba?
Ay, nga pala, no?
Oh,
10 o'clock na.
nice meeting you. My ride's here.
It's my pleasure to meet you, Mazen. Hope to see you someday. Yan.
Uy, Lani, parang
Bye.
nandyan na rin yung tita ko. Gusto mo sumabay sa amin?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Sige, sabay ka na lang. Tara, tara.
Sige, sige. Siglit lang ha.
Ay, magamit mo.
Naku, salamat kita. Salamat. Ako rin.
Tara.
Sino kumain?
Sino yung sinangag?
Tara, tama.
Gusto ko sinangag.
Tara, tara.
Wala pa yung sundo ko. Bye.
Sabay ka na sa akin.
Tarag, tarag. Sige, tarag.
Makikisabay na lang ako, okay lang ba?
Sige, sige.
Wala kasi yung pera.
you.
Thank you sa takungan. Uy, thank you. Ang number mo?
09123
Pwede kita maging textmate?
Alam mo hanggang lawas tayo yung character to.
Sweet! Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Sabi nga sa taas, pwede na raw yun eh. Pero yun kasi nag-interrupt ako, di ba? So, nag-interrupt ako sa inyo eh, so hindi buo. Guys, okay, final pointers na lang, final pointers. Van,